Hello everyone. So in this lecture we are going to see Python variables and how to create them. Well, variables are containers for storing values. Unlike other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. What does it mean? I can just simply say x is equals to y. I don't need any data type for it. And like this, this is a string variable. And if I want to print them, let x and print y. There it goes. And let's just clear it out and run it. Python 3 and the name of my file. Now you can see this 5 and this is a string variable. Well, next, variables do not need to be declared with any particular type. As you can see, I didn't declare like int or like other things like we do in our C language or JavaScript. Sorry, Java. Data type can be changed after the declare after declaring any variable. As you can see, the x right now is an integer variable because it's storing a 5. And I can do even like this thing, like x is equals to this, and oh yeah, exactly. Let me comment this line. And now, what you think? What will be printed? Well, obviously, if you think that it will print the string, then you are absolutely right. Because uh, the variables can be, as I told you, a variable is created for the moment. I'm sorry, and variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change after they have been set. As I have shown you, what does it mean? Okay, the next thing is the string variables can be declared either by using a single quote or a double quote. And I can write string like by a single quote even like this way, and it will work absolutely fine. We will discuss about more about the data types in our next chapter, but right now we are just going to discuss about the variables. Okay, there are some criterias for naming for our variables. We can even our variables have a short name like x and y, as you can see, and or more descriptive name. Even I can write its example. In Python, we use Python syntax. What does it mean? Well, the Python syntax is uh, refers to this underscore uh, naming invention. Like it's my variable equals to null. Sorry, none. Okay, a variable name must start with letter or underscore character like this as well. And if I copy it, paste it like copy it and print it, and let's change something from here for okay, like this. Okay, now print and see. It just printed 4. The next thing is a variable name cannot start with a number. If we try like this way, it will generate an error. And the second thing is a variable name only contain alpha-numeric characters and underscores, numbers and underscores. Like as I told you, I guess I have already said that. The second thing is a variable's name are case sensitive. Well, case sensitive is this, that age equals to 10, age equals to 5, and age equals to 15. These all are three different variables because Python, in case of variables, Python is case sensitive. And if we print them, it will print their values respectively. Okay, there we go. Let's just run it. And you can see 10, 5, 15. Remember that the variables names are says is case sensitive, and it's actually important. It's really important. Okay, well, assigning values to variables. There are many ways to assign a value to a variable. We can declare these three variables in a row like this: age, age, and this age equals to 5, 10, 5, and 15 like this. And Control C and then print this. Let's just ignore these so we can see. You can see the same output. Clear this all and print. Clear this all and print. Now you can see it's the same output. Okay, and you can assign the same value to all multiple values in one line as well. What if I do like this? In this case, these all three variables get the same value, which is 10. If we print it, you can see. Uh, Sorry, I apologize. Like this way, we need to change this syntax. Now you can see. Now it actually says that the age is equals to 10, and then this contains 10, and this 10 is equals to this age, and it contains 10, and it also, so this is also considered as a 10, so it will store 10 in it as well. So that's it. Uh, the next thing, and one more thing. If we try like this, try to store some string, let's see what will happen. It will say an error because it is considering as a variable, and a variable name cannot start with a number. And if we try like this way, let's see what happened. And underscore 10, print this. Okay, now you can see the hello 4 time printed because in these all four variables, we assign the same value, which is hello. And okay, well, obviously in some cases we want to print a variable value with some string. Like I want to say your mm, my age equals to 10, and in this print statement I'm going to write plus. Now we are going to do a string uh, catenation because we are going to like connect them, or I will write here is my age, not here. Well, I will write here I am plus my age. Now, if I write this, I guess I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing a small error here, which is I am trying to combine this string with a integer value. If we write a string in front of before some integer value, then we use like this comma, and then we can write this. And if we want to attach some other string with this, then we can use plus sign, which we did before, like this. If I write this and see, now I'm done. Okay, and like where I'm writing it, here it goes. 10 years old. That's it. Okay, very good. Okay, if you we can even assign a global variable in Python. And how we do that? Well, we will see in our future lecture when we discuss about functions and conditions. So, see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.